This is the screw-in part. It actually draws the vise together and back out. A lot of this grease has done gotten these threads and done dried up. So instead of just putting the old grease, new grease on top of old grease, I need to kind of clean these threads out with a little wire brush. These little stainless steel brushes like this are like 79 cents at Harbor Freight. I use these same kind in my work whenever I'm trying to clean up stuff on the equipment that we work on. I use these little stainless steel brushes. They're like 79 cents a piece, like I said. So, you can't beat these things, do you? Especially for, this little smaller applications. You can get them bigger, but these right here do pretty good. Some of this grease is caked on in here pretty good. Okay. Just to show you kind of the difference, this has already been scraped with the wire brush and this hasn't. And like I said, if I wanted to, I could put the new grease right on top of the old grease and it probably would work still fine, but ain't no sense in going halfway with something. See all that grease that's done built up inside the threads there? That's what I'm cleaning it off. That's cleaned and that's not cleaned. This is the base. The vise can swivel around on this. Yeah. It's just cleaning it up. It looks like it's still in good shape. You can tell there's some weld splatter right here where looks like you tried to weld it to a frame or something. There's some more right here. But this part is mostly functional. It's not cosmetic. I have to take this paint off that's going around this lip here. It's red. Which you can't see it in the dark. But yeah, I'll take this up and clean this up. This is the base. The screw goes through here. Where you at? What are we doing with the screw? Ah. Oh. My butt's getting a hold of y'all. This bolt will go through here and screw into the base of the vise. Go like this, and that way it can swivel. We're gonna get this sucker here cleaned up. It's not unbelievably filthy. It's just got a lot of buildup, a lot of grime in it. This is my look out now hat. Got it on. Leave my hat. Don't this hat say look out now? That's what it says. I had to take a break. My hand hurts. Sitting there grinding off these ears on this darn vise where that weld splatter was. Hand went numb, but I got my hat. Got that right. Alright, I got the ears, I got the weld splatter, ground off of those ears, the mountain ears. One of them was alright. That one didn't have any splatter on it, but that one right there had some weld splatter on it, and that one right there had some weld splatter on it. Now I gotta get this red paint off. It's gonna be a lot of fun here, boy, I can tell you that. That little weld splatter there I had to grind off. But I got my look out now hat on. Gotta be able to get it. Alright. Got the base cleaned up. Got the paint off of it. Inside still looks a little dirty though. I need to put the paper on it, put some sandpaper on it, and the rest of this stuff that I got cleaned up with the brush. I need to put something. I said I need to put some sandpaper on some of this stuff. And that's going to be a lot of fun getting that pit out, getting all that pitting out. Back side's not bad. Front side's eat up pretty good. Same as this one. Same. It may be too deep for me to get it all out, but we'll see. We're going to work on it. We're going to put some paper on it now. Now these are the gripper bars. The bolt that mounts this back to the jaw is going to have to be bigger. I couldn't find, I went to Fastenal, they didn't have any. It's a recessed countersink bolt that fits down in there. It's really small. So I couldn't find any, so I had to find some with a little bit bigger head. Now these bits, that little diamond bit and the rest of these bits in here are just unbelievably good. I was able to get that down, I mean precise. Because you don't want it any bigger than you need it to be. I mean that just, man, that is just precise. That is really kind of cool. I've used them for other little things, but nothing quite as, I can't say the word again, precise as this, but I'm really pleased with that. I'm really pleased with that. That's cool. I love these little bits. They got them all shapes and sizes. That's the one I was using for this. Pretty neat. Alright, y'all. We got it all taped up here. I'll relax. I won't put any paint on this or any of this other stuff. If it's silver, I won't paint it. I mean, as far as the draw handle goes and the tightening rods, I guess, and the plates and washer, I ain't gonna mess with those. I don't paint those because those will be used. But anywhere it's green's gonna be natural. The rest of it's gonna be painted the red, and the lettering will be white. I got some stuff, but I need to put a primer coat or two, maybe two, on it. But we got it taped up. I'm hoping maybe tomorrow I'll get to actually throw some primer on there, let it dry, and see how much more primer I need to put on there. But I got it taped up pretty good. Took a while to tape it up, but we got it taped up. We're going to take it and, like I said, put some primer on it, see how good it looks.